Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about if statement. So let's make a comment, if statement, and in the if statement you mainly give a reason, not a reason actually, you give a condition that if this happens then I want this, if this doesn't happen then I want something else. So let's just say the way you can write the if condition is you write if, then you take this bracket, and within this you just write the condition. So just for the moment I'm giving it a value of true, and I am having this curly braces, and here I am just saying CLG, which means console log, and the value is true. So this is I want if the condition is true. Else, if the condition is not true, I want the value to be false. So the value won't be false because the value is true already, but for the moment, for the sake of this block, I'm just copying this line of code and pasting it over here, and this says the value is false. If I just console log, if I just save this, you can see over here the value is true, because by default I have given this the value of true. But suppose here I have written something else. So in my last video I have shown you how you can do different math operation and how you can use const. So let's just take two const to two value, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5, just like the previous video. So for the moment I want to say a greater than 5, which is true because 10 is greater than 5. So if I just write a greater than b, then this value is true and I will get this output, the value is true. If I write b greater than a, then the value will be false, but for that will I'll do after this. Let's just save this one, and here you can see the value is true. But if I just rotate this one and say b greater than a, which is not, because 5 is not greater than 10, then by default this condition will be false and this won't be here in the output. We will see different output which will be the value is false. So let's just save this one, and right now you can see the value is false. So this is how you can actually use the if statement. In the if statement you have this word called if. This was just self-explanatory. I did not have to say this. So you just have this word and you have a certain condition that you want to have, and if the condition is true, then whatever is within this first curly braces, that will be in the console, or that will happen, that function will run, or whatever that is. But if that's not the case, if the condition is false, then then whatever you have set in the else statement will happen. You will see that in your console log or something else. So that is basically if else statement. So let me know in the comment section below whether you got the concept of it. This is very easy. Every programming language has this if else statement. So this is very self-explanatory and it's quite easy to grasp. Let me know if you have any problem understanding it or not. Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.